The real meaning of Christmas you never knew. Christmas is a special time celebrated by millions of people around the world every year. Many people think Christmas is only about gifts, lights, and big meals with family. However, the real meaning of Christmas goes deeper than shopping and decorations. Christmas remembers the birth of Jesus Christ, who represents love, hope, and peace. For many families, this day is a moment to slow down and be together. It is also a time when people try to be kinder and more generous to others. The real meaning of Christmas is strongly connected to love and sharing. People show love by helping others, giving gifts, or spending time with family and friends. In many countries, people donate food, clothes, or money to those in need during this season. Christmas teaches the importance of caring for others, especially the poor and lonely. Even small actions, like a smile or kind words, can make a big difference. This spirit of giving is one of the most important lessons of Christmas. Christmas is also a time of hope and new beginnings. The story of Christmas reminds people that light can appear even in dark times. Many people use this season to forgive others and start fresh in their relationships. Families often come together to remember good moments and create new memories. Traditions like singing songs, decorating homes, and sharing meals help people feel connected. These traditions keep the true meaning of Christmas alive across generations. In the end, the real meaning of Christmas is not found in expensive gifts or perfect decorations. It is found in love, kindness, faith, and togetherness. Christmas reminds people to be thankful for what they have and for the people in their lives. It encourages everyone to spread peace and joy, not only on one day, but all year long. When people understand this message, Christmas becomes more meaningful. This is the true meaning of Christmas that many people often forget. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.